Tiny Titans TV.
In Wondervale, a magical land where clouds talk and rainbows shine like bridges, Zuzu the brave baby hears the sparkle siren from his glowing pacifier. The colors of the rainbow are fading, and the Rainbow Fairies are in trouble because someone took the color crystal. Tuki, Zuzu's talking bird sidekick, alerts him, "Zuzu, the colors are disappearing. Wondervale needs you." Zuzu, wearing his magical blue hoodie, rides a flying toy duck to Rainbow Hill to help the fairies. At Rainbow Hill, Zuzu meets the red fairy, who is too shy to speak, the blue fairy, who cries easily, and the yellow fairy, who laughs even in danger. Zuzu listens to them, comforts Blue, helps Red speak up, and encourages Yellow to stay calm. Together, Zuzu and the fairies follow color footprints and discover the Mischief Mouse, who was lonely and wanted to make his own rainbow. Zuzu teaches him how to share and be a friend, convincing him to return the color crystal. With the color crystal returned, all the colors come back to the rainbow. Everyone dances on the rainbow bridge as Tuki sings a fun song about colors, celebrating the restored vibrancy of Wondervale. The episode concludes with the moral: sharing makes the world colorful. Zuzu's kindness, cleverness, and courage have saved the day, bringing joy and color back to Wondervale.